In modern manufacturing, efficiency, precision, and consistency remain the core objectives pursued in every production process. Traditional pipe processing workflows often require multiple steps and handling, resulting in low efficiency, dimensional inaccuracies, and resource waste. Addressing these challenges, BOBO introduces the fully automatic multifunctional multi-pipe, bending, cutting, and end wrapping machine. This integrated solution combines bending, cutting, end processing, and tape wrapping into a single operation, delivering a truly efficient, intelligent, and stable one-stop pipe processing solution. From the uncoiling of raw materials to automatic straightening and de-zincing, every step is precisely coordinated by an intelligent control system. The cutting module efficiently segments tubing, producing clean cuts free of burrs and deformation. The integrated design of the reversing feed rack and rotating material rack enables loading, turning, and positioning to be completed on a single platform. Multi-tube synchronous feeding not only boosts production capacity, but also reduces manual operation steps. Each action achieves optimal performance through a balance of time and precision. The pipe bending module employs a fully servo-controlled system, enabling precise bending at any angle between 0 degrees and 180 degrees. The system automatically calculates the optimal radius and torque, ensuring consistent precision and aesthetically pleasing curves, whether for complex multi-angle structures or batch production of standard parts. The adhesive wrapping module employs automated design to precisely encase each pipe, tightly bundling them for safer and more efficient handling and storage. Fully touch-operated systems supporting multilingual interfaces and preset parameters. Operators can monitor real-time operational status, alarm notifications, and production capacity data. Equipped with production tracking and data storage capabilities, ensuring every processing cycle is recorded, traceable, and optimizable. BOBO fully automatic, multifunctional multi-tube bending and cutting machine with tape wrapping at tube ends is widely used in automotive piping, refrigeration systems, heat exchangers, home appliance copper tubes, and other industries. Whether it's copper tubes, aluminum tubes, or stainless steel tubes, it easily adapts to different specifications and material requirements. It is not just a piece of equipment, but a solution that drives the deep integration of automation and intelligent manufacturing.